Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. We have a manual of pump failure analysis, how to read the clues in hydraulic vane and piston pumps to learn what really caused them to fail. After each pump failure, we must analyze the reasons why the pump has failed, and that will give us some idea how to improve our maintenance program, our operation of the machine. So this manual will be very helpful for all the hydraulic students to have it with them, and we will provide you the copy of it. My WhatsApp number is 00923124225402, and my emails are adnan_sunny@yahoo.com and sunnyadnan@gmail.com. I'm calling from Sanni Enterprises, Karachi, Pakistan, and we have 24/7, 365 days free hydraulic helpline for Vickers Eaton customers in Pakistan or anywhere else. This video is a tribute to Mr. Harry Vickers, who initiated Vickers in Detroit almost 100 years before. Thank you, Mr. Harry Vickers, for bringing revolution in the industrial production. Power and motion control. Vickers is dealing in power and motion control, and all components related to hydraulics, which means transfer of power using fluid as a media, is called hydraulics. Thank you. Love hydraulics and use Vickers or Eaton.